Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. We're up here in this gorgeous place in Miranda. Out the back is the Firth of Thames, which is absolutely stunning, a beautiful view here. What we've got today is we've got a nice little shed. It's a consent-free shed that we did here. We're on a nice big bit of farm here, so we can do a nice little consent-free shed here. Mike approached me after we had finished the Hauraki Golf Club shed, which we wonderfully built for the to store their carts in. Mike saw how well we did there. He was also president at the time of the club, so he approached us because he saw how well we worked, he saw how good our builders were, and he saw the quality of our shed, so he was prepared to put that on his own place. Now the shed here today for him is a 6 metres by 7 metres, it's 2.7 metres to the eaves, and we've got a big garage door on it. It's a nice large double garage door, so 4.8 metres wide by 2.29 metres high. It's a nice sectional door. Okay, one thing I do want to point out about the colours, I mean, we've got this beautiful house over here which is all done in stone and everything else. There's no way we're ever going to match that. But what we can do is we can match the colours of the downpipes, we can match the colours of the roof, and I think the clients have been very, very good at choosing their colours. Their windows match the windows of the house, the shed colour matches the shed roof, and it matches the flashings, and it matches the guttering, so they complement each other. We're never ever going to be able to build a shed that looks like a stone building, but we can do things to make it look sympathetic, to make sure that it fits into the landscape, fits with the house. You know, so it's really cool. If you're not sure, come and ask us. We can help guide wherever you need. Again, we've got the beautiful doors here, and I love the way that they put the guards on here, so it's hard for anybody to break into. Well, inside it's a bit windy, but if we come inside, we've got a beautiful floor that's been done by A1, and I love the way that they've sloped it down, so any water that does get in here by accident can actually get out of here quite easily, and man, this floor is nice. Clients have already started moving in. We've only finished this about 2 days ago, which is really cool. But I love the fact that we've been able to put the knee braces and the apex braces up as high as possible. I can't open up the garage door, the electricity's not in yet, but it's as windy as hell outside, and you can hear that it's nice and quiet in here. We've put paper on the walls, and we've just done this as a nice thing, and actually, because the cladding is so dark, it actually lightens up the room quite nicely. And one of the other things we did is we originally had the windows here, but we moved them to there because look at that view. I mean, why would you block that out? That's just lovely. Again, strength by design. We've got the cross bracing there, we've got the fly bracing on, and the fact that it's all clear span means that, you know, keeping it at 2.7, there's a lot of room in here. It's really, really cool. Hats off to Kyron, the builder, Metalcraft for supplying everything. We've got Watergate paper on the walls. Thank you to Fisher Windows for the windows and doors. We can't go past Connect for all the fittings. That's fantastic. A1 for the concrete. Thank you. That's awesome. One thing about this beautiful door that Dominator installed, and I've got to admit, even the fittings they've done up on the roof, you know, just like the builder, they've taken care, they've looked at what needs to happen, and you know, it's beautiful. It's really well done. But if you don't have power, we do have this lovely little red thing here that you can pull down, and then lift the door. The spring takes care of it, and it goes all the way up, and then you can just bring it back down when you're ready. Simple. And I'm doing this with one hand. Something else that we can see here as well is that because it's a dark colour outside, it's hard to see, but on the inside it's even more important, is the screw pattern. So you can see all the screws here, and look how beautifully in line they are. I mean, that's testament to a really good builder that takes their time to make sure that things are right. The other thing also that we've done in this shed is we've made these at 1.2 centres. So it makes it easy if the shed ever wants to be lined. Ply goes on there, bang, done, easy. And we've done the same with the roof, with the purlins. We've done them at 1.2 centres so that if at any time they want to line it to make it a little bit quieter, hang your tools on or whatever else, easy. And even though this is what we would consider a small shed, it's a double garage, so it's not that small. we don't skimp on the details, little things, you know, like Kyron's done an amazing job just cutting off the edges to make sure it's not sharp, lining up all the screws so they're all in a line. Even here with the beautiful J-track that we used for the framing for the windows, you know, it's just done in such a way that, you know, care is taken. It's just amazing. You know, he's built this like he would his own shed. So yeah, it's hats off to the builders for doing this. And it's not just Kyron, all our builders do this. So it's something, every time I come around, I love seeing it. It's fantastic. If you want to know more about how we do consent-free sheds, the time savings and the money savings that will happen, by all means, come in and ask us, give us a ring, text us, phone call, whatever you like. We're always available in the office, always available on the phone or email. Okay, like and subscribe if you want to know more. We'll see you in my next one.